Good morning guys, welcome to another 0 to 60. Today I'm going to talk about my new dash cam. After driving Andrew's Renault Megane, you might have seen the video we did on his dash cam install. I had to drive it the other day and I really liked just having a crystal clear image of a wide angle view with no blind spots looking out of the back. And I thought, although it's not too bad with my car, I wanted to get one, and I really liked the added benefits of this over the style of the rear view mirror over a standard dash cam of having the reversing camera as well. So I thought I'm going to get one, and I started doing some more research, and Andrew actually bought his quite a few months ago now, so it looks like they have improved technology a little bit. I came across this brand, Acumen, and their new camera, the XR10. Biggest difference between it and Andrew's version is that this one has 1080p front and rear cameras as opposed to 1080p front and only a 720 rear camera. I know it's not the end of the world, but I wanted 1080p for the rear, which is why I went with this one. Another feature that this one has, which I'm really looking forward to trying, is the motion detection. So even on Andrew's, it has a setting where if it's in a parking lot unattended and it has someone drives into it, the G sensor picks it up and it will start recording for 10 seconds or whatever, designed so you can capture the person's number plate as they're driving away without leaving a note. Whereas this one, it does have that, but it also has a separate motion detection mode. So even if the car doesn't experience an impact or a movement, if it detects somebody at the front or rear camera just checking out your car or vandalizing it, obviously that's not going to give the G sensor enough of a movement to start recording. But because it picks up the motion, it will start recording, and then the idea is you'll have the people's faces or even their car who's just vandalized your car. So I'm looking forward to trying that, and hopefully it does work as well as they say. So let's see what's inside. Cool, okay, pretty similar looking unit to Andrew's, I must say, but feels well built, and no bezel. Well, it's got a very small bezel, but it's flush with the screen, which is nice, whereas Andrew's actually protrudes a little bit higher than the screen, so it's a little bit more noticeable, so I do like that design. All the plugs and the cords at the very top of the mirror, which will be nice and easy to send straight up into the hood lining. And of course the adjustable camera for the front, so you can fit it to your rear view mirror. Cool, that all looks pretty standard. Okay, a power cable. Gonna need one of them. The mounts for the mirror, which I guess, yep, clip around there and clip around the mirror, nice and easy to mount. That's good. SD card, that's good. From memory, I don't think Andrew's even came with an SD card, so that's a plus. SD card reader, always good to have. Some sticky mounts to hide the wires. And the rear view camera. Okay. Again, she says 1080p, so I'm looking forward to have crystal clear vision on the front and rear of my car. Microfiber cloth to clean the lenses. A user manual, which I'll read that later. And a warranty card, which I saw that. This, again, all of the mirrors that I was looking at, it looked like they had, well, it looked like they were just a lot of Chinese companies that were, they found one mirror and then would copy it and sell their mirror with they weren't even branded, so there was no brand or person behind the actual product. Whereas again, Acumen, it's a full brand, and it looks like they do quite a lot of interesting stuff. And something I noticed straight away, when I found the mirror, I started firing the questions to ask some technical questions about, like for example, the rear view mirror, is it definitely 1080p? And they responded straight away with perfect English, and it turns out they're actually based in California, so that does help. If you've got any questions for installation and that sort of stuff, they do respond very quickly. But with a warranty card, it comes with a 12-month warranty, but it looks like if you jump online, you can extend the warranty as well, so I'll give that a look and see what that's all about. Cool, well that's everything in the box. It's pretty much everything I was hoping for and expecting. But I know there is also a battery inside the mirror, which is for the parking mode, which I was talking about earlier. So I'm interested to see how that works. So, you know, when the car's not powered up, this thing still has power. Another interesting feature is what they call ADAS. It's basically like a lane departure warning, which isn't one of the reasons I went with this mirror, but I am interested to see how it works and if it's actually going to be something I'm going to use every day or just turn off. But other than that, it's got all your standard dash cam features like your loop recording, your wide angle lenses front and rear. Again, because it is a backup camera as well, it's got the guidelines when you are reversing into a space, which are nice. And yeah, if you've got any more questions about this unit, let us know in the comments. Again, our video on Andrew's unit just went crazy for some reason. It seems that a lot of people are looking into these full LCD monitor rear backup cameras, dash cameras. So if you've got any specific questions, let us know. And also, we will be doing a full video of a review of this product and where you can see some test footage and what it's like to live with. So if you want to see that, let us know and we'll make it happen. Thanks for watching, guys.